for antelope, prancing so free. B is for butterfly, as pretty as can be. C is for cheetah, running with Ricky. D is for dolphin, a friendly friend indeed. A, B, sing with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Fun and laughter, learning's bright. Let's sing about animals day and night. E is for eagle, soaring way up high. F is for fox, clever and sly. G is for gecko, climbing on the wall. H is for hedgehog, curled up in a ball. A, B, sing with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Fun and laughter, learning's bright. Let's sing about animals day and night. I is for impala, leaping with grace. J is for jackal, quick in the chase. K is for koala, cuddly and shy. L is for llama, under the blue sky. A, B, sing with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Fun and laughter, learning's bright. Let's sing about animals day and night. M is for meerkat, standing up tall. N is for newt, so tiny and small. O is for orangutan, swinging so free. P is for peacock, as colorful as can be. A, B, sing with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Fun and laughter, learning's bright. Let's sing about animals day and night. Q is for quokka with a happy little grin. R is for rabbit, hopping right in. S is for seahorse, floating in the sea. T is for toucan, perched in the tree. A, B, sing with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Fun and laughter, learning's bright. Let's sing about animals day and night. U is for urchin, spiky but neat. V is for viper, slithering at your feet. W is for wombat, digging with delight. X is for Zurus, scurrying out of sight. Y is for yak, so fluffy and grand. Z is for zebu, grazing on the land. Animals galore, from A to Z. Sing along with me, it's fun, you'll see. A, B, sing with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Fun and laughter, learning's bright. Let's sing about animals day and night.
H is for helicopter, flying way up high.
Helicopter, reaching for the sky.
P is for plane, soaring through the air.
Plane, everywhere.
B is for boat, sailing on the sea.
Boat, flowing peacefully.
Z is for car, driving fast and free.
Car, come along with me.
T is for truck, carrying heavy loads.
Truck, moving down the road.
B is for bus, taking friends to school.
Bus, riding smooth and cool.
M is for motorcycle, zooming past so quick.
Motorcycle, doing a fast trick.
R is for rover, built for space so slick.
Rover, exploring planets quick.
R is for rocket, blasting through the stars.
Rocket, flying up so far.
Z is for cattle, pulling wooden carts.
Cattle, walking with their hearts.
F is for foot, walking near and far.
Foot, stop where you are.
Now we've learned some ways to go on land, from air and sea. Sing along and move with me, learning's fun and easy.
A is for angelfish, swimming all around. B is for blue whale, the biggest ever found. C is for crabs, having claws on the sand. D is for dolphin, jumping oh so grand. Swim through the deep blue sea. So many animals for us to see. Sing, come along with me. Let's explore the ocean's mystery. E is for eel, slithering through the night. F is for flounder, hiding out of sight. G is for grouper, big and strong and slow. H is for hammerhead, look at how they go. Swim, swim, swim through the deep blue sea. So many animals for us to see. Sing, 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 come along with me. Let's explore the ocean's mystery. I is for isopod, crawling on the floor. J is for jellyfish, drifting to the shore. K is for krill, tiny but so neat. L is for lobster, with claws to help it eat. Swim, swim, swim through the deep blue sea. So many animals for us to see. Sing, 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 come along with me. Let's explore the ocean's mystery. M is for manatee, so gentle and so slow. N is for narwhal, with the tusk that loves to show. O is for octopus, with arms that twist and turn. P is for penguin, for the icy seas they yearn. Swim, swim, swim through the deep blue sea. So many animals for us to see. Sing, 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 come along with me. Let's explore the ocean's mystery. Q is do the do the do the do the do 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 the do the do 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 do. Q is for queen angelfish, so colorful and bright. R is for ray, gliding like a kite. S is for seahorse, curling tail so tight. T is for turtle, swimming day and night. Swim, swim, swim through the deep blue sea. So many animals for us to see. Sing, 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 come along with me. Let's explore the ocean's mystery. U is for urchin, spiky and so round. V is for vampire squid, where the deep is found. W is for whale shark, the biggest fish of all. X is for xenophia, for tiny but not small. Y is for yellowtang, glowing like the sun. Z is for zebra shark, with stripes to help it run. Swim, swim, swim through the deep blue sea. So many animals for us to see. Sing, 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 come along with me. Let's explore the ocean's mystery. A is alligator, swims in the bay. B is bear, growling all day. C is cat, purring with delight. D is dog, barking through the night. Sing along, A to Z, animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea, let's explore you and me. E is elephant, stomping so proud. F is flamingo, standing in a crowd. G is gorilla, climbing up the tree. H is horse, galloping with glee. Sing along, A to Z, animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea, let's explore you and me. I is iguana, basking in the sun. J is jellyfish, floating just for fun. K is kangaroo, hopping up so high. L is lion with a mighty cry. Sing along, A to Z, animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea, let's explore you and me. N is monkey, swinging on the vine. N is narwhal, swimming in a line. O is octopus, waving 8 arms. P is penguin, with icy charms. Sing along, A to Z, animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea, let's explore you and me. Q is quail, darting through the air. R is raccoon, searching with care. S is snake, slithering on the ground. T is turtle, slowly crawling around. Sing along, A to Z, animals are fun to see. From the land, air, and the sea, let's explore you and me. U is unicorn, magic in the night. V is vulture, soaring in flight. W is walrus, with tusks so wide. X is xenox, in the forest it hides. Y is yak, trudging through the snow. Z is zebra, striped from head to